Hey everyone, it's me Nikki, and today I am going to share some products that I have been absolutely loving. I went ahead and placed a huge order on AliExpress.com for nail stuff. So I had actually picked up a ton of these. Now, I will say it takes about a month to get here, and unfortunately, every now and again in the mail, one of them will leak. Now, obviously this is still completely full, so only just a little bit had leaked onto the label, and they did have it in bubble wrap. But again, I mean, if you're traveling across the world, you know, things happen sometimes. So I tried a few different brands, and I thought that I would show you guys. So these right here are actually like alcohol ink for nail design. And again, this one right here leaked a little bit in the mail, but I've got pink, I have orange, I have browns, I have a yellow, I have a red somewhere. I am unable to locate it, but I did get a red. And I also have a black too. So you guys are probably wondering what kind of designs I do with these. And this right here is basically like 90+% rubbing alcohol, and this is what I've been using to get a marbled watercolor effect. So the brands that I have here are from Chun Shu, and then I have Cherry 9 and Che Gel. Each brand actually makes all of these colors, so it really just depends on who you want to go through. They're all exactly the same, just different brand names. So let me go ahead and show you guys like what I'm talking about here. Okay guys, I hope you can see this, but these are the colors. So I have a yellow, I have kind of like an olive yellow brown, I've got a black, I have a warm brown, I have a teal, I have a neon pink, I have a bright cobalt blue, and then I have a purple, and then a green. And let me tell you, I mixed these like, oh gosh, it was like a week ago. I did my nails, and I wish I had taken a picture of it, but I did a white base, just like all of this is on top of a white base, just to show you guys. I did a white base, and then I did like a rainbow across my nails, and it was so pretty. I had people stopping me at work just to look at my nails. Like, people were coming to my desk, even people I didn't know were just wanting to see my nails because they heard that they looked cool. So I had done that, and then I had taken a little bit of gold foil and just randomly put some gold patches. You know, there was really no method to the madness. I just popped them on randomly. And I also had some like cellophane iridescent like unicorn, I guess it's like unicorn paper or angel paper, I think is what they call it. And I applied a little bit of that too, and it was phenomenal. Like, my goal was to see how much stuff I could put on my nails. I didn't think it would look good at all. It was just an experiment. It was fun, and I ended up loving it. This one is actually the yellow and the blue, and obviously when yellow and blue meet, they make green. Super beautiful. This was so easy, guys. This does not take much skill. You literally dab a bit on, you put some rubbing alcohol on top of it. It's better to work with a high percentage. I do have 50% that I bought from like Dollar Tree. It really didn't work as well as this product right here. And I will link all of the stuff down below for you guys, so that way you guys can find it. But the one that I bought from AliExpress, this one actually made this kind of feather out and looks so much better. Each of these containers is about 15 milliliters of product, so it's about the size of a full-size regular nail polish. Alright guys, so right here, please don't laugh, I am actually out of the little sticky stuff that you put on a holder to keep a nail in place, so I'm actually using Scotch tape. Listen guys, desperate times call for desperate measures, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and kind of show off a few other products from AliExpress because these two are fantastic. There is a brand called Azure, and they make the best white and black gel nail polish I've ever tried in my life. So I love using these as a base. So here is the black. Basically one coat is all I use. Sometimes I might use a second coat, but most of the time there's no need. Now here is the white, and this is a beautiful, beautiful bright white. And I think these were like $2 something, maybe $3 a piece. But if you do a lot of nail art, black and white, you guys know, are gonna be in your arsenal. You definitely need them. So I'm actually gonna use the white one right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then I'm going to cure this bad boy, and then we're gonna do a little bit of the like watercolor stuff together. So I'm gonna let this settle for just a moment before I pop it into the lamp. So I just got this out of the lamp, and I'm gonna go in with my favorite top coat. Again, this is from AliExpress. This is from Lisa. This is the UV and LED soak off non-cleansing top coat. I love no wipe top coats. And we are gonna get this party started. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop this back into the lamp one more time. Guys, so I think for this nail, I'm gonna go in with the pink, the blue, and the purple, just to kind of play around and see what I can come up with. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and start with the lightest color first, and this is the pink. So I'm gonna really just kind of be random. There's no method to the madness, and I'm gonna let that dry. Next, I'm gonna go in with just a pinch of blue. So with the blue, I'm actually gonna come over here to the side and just apply a little bit here. I'm actually gonna apply a little bit more to darken it up a bit. And maybe I'll do a little bit over here. I just wanna save a little bit of room for that purple, since I am gonna be going in with that. Me and my extra self is gonna go in with some of this purple. I'm gonna kind of tie it in a little bit to that blue and to the pink. I figure why not? Let's have some fun. And I'm gonna add a little bit of purple to the tip too. Just like that. This already looks super pretty, but I'm gonna add a little bit more pink because I want to darken it up a bit. And I'm actually putting a little bit of the pink into the purple over here. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this stuff. And this is the clear liquid, which is basically rubbing alcohol of a high percentage. Now I'm actually tapping off the side of my brush before I apply it because I don't want to go too crazy and I don't want to drown all the colors and have them bleed together. So I'm just randomly putting it in spots. And you guys can see how it's actually changing the look of it. That's just so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it over here by the blue. And now it looks even cooler. And I'm just, like I said, just putting little spots here, just kind of randomly. And they're kind of bleeding together a little bit, but it's giving it more of that watercolor effect, which is pretty. And you could sit here and do this for as long as you want, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and when it's air dried, I'm going to apply my top coat. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and apply my top coat to this, and then of course I'm going to stick it right back in the lamp. You guys know the drill. You know how it goes. So So this is the finished product, and I absolutely love this. I think this is super easy, this is super neat, and some of these colors, guys, are perfect for spring. Alright guys, so this is it for my video. This is the finished nail, and it just looks so cool, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I should also say that I'm not affiliated with any of the brands listed down below. They do not even know my name. I bought these things with my own money. I love budget-friendly products for nails because I like to do them myself. It saves me money, and I'm just really kind of creative, and I just like to, I don't know, use my nails as a canvas, if that makes any sense. It's like 10 tiny little canvases, you know? So again, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more, leave me a comment and like and subscribe. Thanks, and have a great day, guys.